Welcome to my villa in Bali, guys. What's up, everybody? It is your boy Splash. I'm back. So today's video is special because we're in JFK right now, as you can see. What we're about to do is just going to be a little mini vlog on our journey to Bali. So me and my friend Shane, who's actually holding the camera. So we're going to Bali for 3 weeks. Our villa is amazing. You know, it's like a work slash vacation slash journey, man. It's gonna be fun to document the way. But right now I'm at a lounge chilling. See how fire this place is. Shout out to my homies that put me on credit for all of this because we got the access to this. But yeah, it's a journey to Bali. We're gonna film it. It's gonna be just a lot of documentation while we're here. So yeah, see you guys later, and we'll keep you updated as we go on this long ass flight. So yeah, catch you in a bit. So we just landed in Qatar. We literally have a layover for like 30 minutes. The first thing we did, came to the lounge, got some food, showing the food. It's already done, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, literally in 20 minutes we're back. We're heading back to our place. Not our place, we're heading back to our gate, and then yeah. Welcome to my villa in Bali, guys. So I'm gonna do a little mini villa tour, house tour. I'm in Bali with my friend Shane for the next 3 weeks, right? So I'm gonna show you guys where we're staying. Along this journey, I'm gonna make sure to document a lot of different things. But yeah, before we start, as I said, welcome. This is like our mini entrance. This is probably my favorite area in the villa because you guys can see palm trees, banana leaves, you know. As you guys know, I love palm trees. When I go to California, that's like my favorite thing. But yeah, this is the entrance right here. As we walk along, follow me, Shane. By the way, Shane's on camera. Shout out to him.
What's up, boys?
Yeah, shout out to him, right? So we got, you know, cool decorations, just nature vibes, just always good to have. Got 2 little mirrors right here. It's just chilling. This is not our bike, by the way, but yeah. So when we first come in, you know what I'm saying, open the door, we get to the living room right here. So this is the little living room. This is where I'm gonna be watching my Raptors play the Bucks tomorrow. If you guys are watching this, Raptors in 6. Trust me, I say it. Raptors in 6. We're gonna beat Milwaukee. But yeah, this is the living room right here. Really nice. But next up right here, probably me and my Shane's favorite part. Fucking pool, guys. Look at this. Look at the pool. We got a floaty thing right here. You know I'm gonna be chilling there, just vibing. But yeah, we got a pool right in front of where we're staying, and it's just like such a big vibe, you know. And yeah, this is the pool area. Come down here, we get to see. I don't even know what you call it. What would you call it, Shane?
Call it the Zen Zone.
All right.
The Zen Zone.
We got like a place where we can, I guess like a place where you can read, meditate. That's what actually we did in the morning. We were meditating here, but you know, I see a little barbecue. I don't know if we're gonna have barbecue here, but we have the choice to. If we want to, we can barbecue. But yeah, this is a nice area. Just a chill vibe, you know what I'm saying? Just keeping it nature, I guess you can say. And when you come in right here, this is our little workstation. This is where we're working the majority of the day. Right by the kitchen. I guess you can call this a dining table, right by the kitchen. And speaking of kitchen, this is it. We're probably not going to be using it as much. Maybe a little bit. Definitely going to go out to eat a lot. But you know, might just come here and cook some stuff. I don't know. Who knows? But yeah, that's the kitchen area for now. As you follow me along, Shane, you know, Shane already knows the spot. But yeah, this is like I guess from here you can show them a little view of what it looks like. It's just like an open living room, just a pool chilling here, and the Zen Zone just chilling right there, you know what I'm saying? But let me show you guys the place. This is Shane's bedroom. You know, this is Shane's bedroom. I'm gonna show that.
This is exclusive tour of the bedroom.
We just had someone. We just had these cleaners come clean this place up.
Oh, we gotta turn on the golden lights, of course.
Oh, golden lights.
Boom.
So we got lights under the bed, man. Like that's how cool it is. So we just had some people come and clean the place. We have cleaners coming every day, which is cool. And this is my room. This is where I'm staying. You know what I'm saying? Not as cool as Shane's, but it's just the same thing. But you know, and we got another nice.
It's not the same thing.
And we got a little nice bathroom, I guess, which is sick because you can just shower. The water goes in the rocks,
The pebbles.
the pebbles. I don't know what that says. And then we got the bathtub. But yeah, this is the Bali Villa tour. Oh wait, we're not done. Forgot to mention, there's a second entrance by the way. So you come into these two little lamps. I don't know what you call them. But you guys should just come in. As we said, little banana leaf everywhere. If you're a tall person, you're in trouble because, like Shane, he's a tall guy. We gotta bend over to make sure that we don't hit our head in this. I don't know what you call this mini hut. I don't know, right? But it's just a nice little entrance. We come, we see my man Buddha just chilling right here. I don't know if that's Buddha or not, but
Yeah, I don't think that's
and
Buddha. It's definitely not Buddha.
boom, and we got some fish pond. We got a fish pond here. From what I know, the dude told me most of them are dead, but they're still like, I mean, you can see a little fish.
Wait, what? I did not know that.
No, you can still see a lot of fish
So
here.
depressing, honestly.
So you can still see a lot of fish here. And
But it's still a high vibration area.
more right here, you know what I'm saying? Just a chill vibe, just a chill place to vibe, to work. There's definitely more fish there. We just gotta get some. I'm gonna get some bread and feed them after. But yeah, yep, guys. So this concludes the tour of our villa. You know what I'm saying? We're chilling here. I'm excited to just cool it in Bali for 3 weeks. I was gonna outro this by jumping in the pool, but I already showered today, so I do not want to do that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. As I said, more content coming on the way just because it's been a hot minute since I created content, and now I'm in Bali, which is still unreal to me. So definitely gonna make some more content. But hey, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye. So when we're walking in Bali, we realized that we're the only one that walk here. Plus, we just walked into a cafe. I got a acai bowl and a big ass coconut. So you know, oh, I see him cutting up the coconut. So when the food arrives, I'll vlog more of that. But I'll see some, you know, I guess we live more towards the local area. We walk towards town where all the, I guess, nomads, the tourists are. So just doing that. But let me show you guys the rice field as well. That's the rice field, palm trees everywhere. Here's my buddy Shane, who ordered a fresh coconut as well.
Fresh coconut right off the grill.
Yes, sir. So I forgot to film my coconut and my coconut acai bowl, but you know, if you guys follow me on Instagram, it's there.